Taking a screenshot on an iPad is easy. On an older iPad like mine, you'll use the home button together with the top button that locks your iPad. On newer models, it's the same, but instead of the home button, you'll use either one of the volume buttons. Locate your buttons and then press them at the same time. Just make sure that you don't hit the lock button first because that will obviously lock your iPad and you won't get a screenshot. If it's easier, you can briefly press and hold the home button or the volume button on a newer iPad and then quickly click the top button. Once you have your screenshot, you'll see a preview on the bottom corner. Tap that, and you'll have the option to crop or edit your screenshot. You can quickly share it from here, or you can use the markup tools to highlight specific parts of your screenshot. The markup tool is my favorite because it gives your screenshots a personal touch with hand-drawn highlights. You can choose from a variety of different pens and colors, and use the undo button if you make a mistake. So that's screenshots on an iPad in a nutshell. Once you click Done, you'll have the option to either save the screenshot in your photos, or you can simply delete it if you don't want to keep it. Hope that was helpful, and if you want to help me and my channel, click that like button down there below the video, and maybe write a nice comment to say hi. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next quick tutorial.